Cyclone sample mill produced by UD Corporation. This model is 3010-030. There's various other options available that have different covers, different screen setups, different bottle assemblies and things like that. So there's a variety that you can look on the web or contact UD Corporation for more information. This is the basic grinder that's going to be set up for smaller grains like wheat. There is a feeder that's available. The basics is you got a grain cover with 4 clamps, air filter assembly, inlet plug for back pressure to help clean out into the bottle. You got your 120 ml bottle. This is a Cyclone sample mill with the Cyclone body here. Vortex is right into your bottle, which makes it very unique. Quick and easy. Take the cover off. You got your aluminum impeller that's standard, 1 millimeter screen, air separator. It's kind of the key factors in there. Make sure that's seated in there. You got the micro switch detent button right there, so it's a safety feature that with the power on or off, this is going to activate it. So you want to make sure your power is off before you put that on and clamp it down. Air filter assembly, make sure it's in place. Sample. Sometimes you can do the inlet plug to help clear out this. About half a bottle, 20-30 grams. Ready for the next sample.